Archie, you allowed your work to harden your heart against me. You stopped listening. You didn't want to hear. And so I must say, I never knew you. Depart from me. Reverend Michael Fox V.
Why not me, Lord? Why not me?
You wanted fame. You wanted applause. And I say, you had your reward.
But Lord, I spread your word.
You took the talents and the position I gave you for your own glory. Depart from me. Natasha Williams. Natasha, you had your reservation. You had your ticket. But somehow, you allowed the things of the world to take precedence over your relationship with me. And now, Natasha, I must say, I never knew you. Depart from me. Billy Bob Joe and Mary Lou J. Take off those costumes. You lived a life of fraud, of deceit. You found errors in everyone but yourselves, when the biggest error was in your heart. Depart from me. Christina Miles.
Why not me, Lord? Why not me?
Christina, you're young, but you knew better. You're responsible for what you know. You should have done the right thing. And now, I must say, depart from me. Justin Robinson.
Lord, why not me?
Justin, you prided yourself on being a player, a man down. You mistreated my vessels. You mistreated the vessel I gave you. Justin, depart from me. Jacqueline Smith and Phoebe Mosby. You prided yourselves on being in the way, being in the truth. And indeed, you were in the way of the truth. Your lips were an abomination to me. You spread gossip, rumor, and hate. These had no place in heaven. Depart from me.